Hello guys, my name is Gbenga. I took you guys some a tutorial teaching you guys how to install Node.js on your computer system and how to get started with a very simple example. And in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys or taking you guys on the Node.js architecture, how to understand Node.js, how Node.js actually works. So Node.js works on the Google VM engine. So this engine was actually created by Google to be relatively fast and to actually boost JavaScript in a multi-threaded environment. Okay, so before I actually take you guys on the practical aspect on how Node communicates with the server, I would like to show you guys a theoretical aspect of the Node architecture. So let's picture this Word document you're seeing on my screen as a typical restaurant where A and B are customers, Node is the waiter, and the server here is actually the cook. So what Node actually does is, as a waiter, he goes to customer A and asks customer A for his order, and customer A tells Node that please get me a bowl of rice. So Node takes that order to the server and tells the server that customer A has requested for a bowl of rice. So the server starts cooking it. So instead of Node to wait for that bowl of rice, it goes immediately to customer B and also requests for a bowl. For he asks customer B for what customer B actually wants. So probably customer B tells Node that please can you get me a bottle of Fanta. So Node takes that order also to the server. So presently the server will take both orders, and when it's ready submit it to Node. So Node takes it back to A, takes the rice back to A, then takes the Fanta also back to B. So you can actually see here that Node handles multiple requests at a time. So it actually doesn't waste the CPU time, CPU space, whereby traditional web querying languages actually waste it. They actually accept one request at a time. That is one request per process. But Node.js handles so many requests per process, and it does this such that it doesn't waste CPU time, and at the same time it doesn't overheat the server or give too much requests to the server. So this actually makes Node.js portable in so many environments and usable in so many cases, especially if you are working with chatting websites or application where you need to deal with so many customer requests being submitted at the time, or you are dealing with probably a blog website where everybody is communicating with each other, or you are creating a real-time gaming system. So these are the use cases of Node.js, and I'll be showing you guys the practical aspects of this. Okay, so on my screen you can see three set timeout functions. The first timeout would console or log a message that says the first call has been made. The second timeout will console the log a message that says the second call has been made, while the third would also do its own by saying the third call has been made. So let me try wrapping all this in a particular JavaScript function. So in case you are thinking of the IDE I'm using, I'm actually using WebStorm. So you could use Notepad++ or the normal computer notepad, but I'm not really used to using the normal computer notepad, so I am actually addicted to Notepad++. So there are various IDE you could actually use in running this, but no, WebStorm actually makes running Node very easy for you to do. Okay, so I will wrap all this into a particular JavaScript function that says call timeout. Call timeout. Okay. Call timeout. So I would run it from WebStorm using this run example one.js. So after I run it, after 5 seconds as a whole, you should see the whole, you should see the three messages being logged on the screen at the same time. First call, second call, third call has been made at the same time after 5 seconds. So okay, so this after they are being logged, it typically shows you. Sorry, I made a mistake. I didn't call this call timeout function. That's why it hasn't been logged. Call timeout. Call timeout. Call timeout. Okay, so let's rerun it again. Okay, yeah, so we've run it again. So after 5 seconds, basically you should see three messages being logged. Okay, so yeah, so you've seen the messages being logged. First call has been made, second call has been made, third call has been made. So three of them actually got logged at the same time after 5 seconds. So probably you were thinking JavaScript would log this one first after 5 seconds, wait for another 5 seconds, log this, and then wait for another 5 seconds, log this. I'm sure probably you might have come from an environment that handles requests of languages from a down to from an up down approach. But Node.js actually handles this in a multi-threaded environment. So it takes all your requests and just pushes everything rather to the server, and the server takes them, does what it wants to do to them or processes them. So this is the basic Node.js architecture. This is what you need to get started with Node.js. This is what you need to understand the basic Node.js architecture. So thank you for watching, thank you for following me, thank you for listening. You could use the comment box below to write anything you want to write. You probably want to advise me, you probably want to say some critics or put some critics, you probably want to tell me to do a video on a particular web language such as PHP, JavaScript, or Node. You want me to touch something on Node, or probably I missed out something in this tutorial that you want to call my attention on. So you could actually use the comment box below to do that. So thank you for watching, thank you once again. My name is Gbenga. So bye.